Alors il y a vraiment rien à dire. La musique est vraiment super top. C'est impressionnant à quel point c'est relaxant. Et ça annonce du très lourd. Salut à toutes et à tous, c'est Akeox, on se retrouve cette fois-ci pour une nouvelle vidéo comme vous pouvez le voir dans le titre. On se retrouve pour la vidéo découverte de Life is Strange. Ou Life is Strange, I speak English very well. Non je rigole, c'est pareil. Un jeu édité par Square Enix tout simplement. C'est donc les mecs de Square Enix qui ont fait ça, développé par Dontnod Entertainment. C'est un jeu qui est sorti en France le 30 janvier 2015 sur PC. Je me souviens plus s'il y a eu des versions Xbox One et PS4, en tout cas de versions de nouvelle génération. Je faudra vérifier, je ne suis pas sûr. Et donc c'est un jeu qui est à la base fait sur 5 épisodes. Donc là nous on va découvrir le premier épisode. Je sais pas s'ils sont sortis, s'ils sont sortis les autres épisodes. En tout cas l'épisode 1 est sorti. Donc c'est ce qu'on va découvrir dans cette vidéo de découverte. Donc si je dis pas de bêtises, c'est un espèce de style à la Heavy Rain ou à la Beyond Two Souls. C'est vraiment une expérience assez spéciale ce jeu. Et j'ai vraiment hâte de voir simplement ce que ça va donner. Étant un très grand fan des Beyond Two Souls, voilà, je me sentais obligé de, de faire une vidéo sur ce jeu. Allez, stop. Alors donc aucune partie, donc ouais j'avais juste essayé le petit truc. Donc alors, comme vous pouvez le voir, il y a plusieurs épisodes. Donc si je dis pas de bêtises, il faut les aller. Ouais, c'est ça. Bon ok, on va lancer une nouvelle partie. C'est parti. Alors, et la musique est vraiment top. Est une expérience permettant aux joueurs d'influencer l'histoire. Toutes vos actions et décisions pourront avoir un impact sur le passé, le présent et le futur. Choisissez bien. Oui, merci beaucoup. C'est très gentil de votre part. Alors, de quoi il en retourne, ce Life is Strange?
Where am I? What's happening? I'm trapped in a storm? How did I get here? And where is here? Wait, there's the lighthouse. I'll be safe if I can make it there. I hope. Please let me make it there.
Alors dans les jeux vidéo, je sais pas pourquoi, mais les phares, je ne sais pas pourquoi, c'est toujours un truc de fou. Dans les jeux vidéo, à chaque fois, il y a toujours un phare. On ne sait pas pourquoi, Alan Wake, tout simplement, tout dans ce style. Donc déjà, c'est des voix anglaises, déjà, sous-titrées français. Donc, voilà, déjà, je n'apprécie pas spécialement les voix anglaises, mais bon, c'est toujours sympa, si c'est de bonne qualité, bien sûr. Faut bouger la caméra, d'accord. Donc, ça n'annonce rien de bon. Cette tornade juste impressionnant. Après c'est vrai que le style graphique c'est ça fait un petit peu un espèce de style ça me fait penser au jeu je sais pas si vous y avez joué, mais c'est le jeu Brother Tale of Sons, si je dis pas de bêtises. Ça me fait penser un peu au style dans les graphismes. Holy shit nigga. D'accord.
That was so surreal.
Famously called film Little Pieces of Time. But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in class. Everything's cool. I am okay.
From light to shadow. From color to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in
I
black and
didn't
white?
fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream.
Bueller?
Weird.
Diane Arbus.
There you go,
Alors la femme a son
Victoria.
téléphone sur la
Why
table, c'est normal.
Arbus?
Because of her images of hopeless faces, you feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
She saw humanity as tortured, right? And frankly, it's
Attendez, comment
bullshit.
faire?
Shh. Keep that to yourself. Seriously, though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation.
Ok.
And any one
Regardez,
of you could do that to me.
je regarde.
Isn't that too easy? too obvious? What if Arbus chose to capture people at the height of their beauty or innocence? She had a brilliant eye, so she could have taken another approach.
I have to admit,
Alors,
I'm not a big
faites
fan of
glisser
her work.
pour orienter la caméra vers la
I
photo, puis maintenez la
prefer
souris gauche.
Robert Frank.
Me too, Victoria. He captured the essence of post-war beat America.
Puis rader vers le
And there
bas.
was honesty
Et
about the
relâchez la
economic
souris gauche pour
conditions of
rader la
the
photo.
era, but a beauty in the struggle.
Ah
You
ah.
don't have beauty without a beat. Which
Pardon,
explains why Frank was
je ne
Kerouac's
comprends
photographic
strictement
muse.
rien au jeu.
And both were the great chroniclers of the 1950s. Well,
Attends, clic gauche.
we've all seen that iconic shot of Kerouac on the balcony. And if you haven't, shame, shame. Capturing the romantic urban solitude of the 20th century poet. You dig? Now, contrast Frank's stark Americana with Salvador Dali's surrealist photographs. Like Cocteau, he was a true
Mais
realist.
oh.
And his famous self-portraits are famous.
Je suis con à ce point-là ou comment ça se passe?
Truly awful word you pesky kids love so much. The self.
Ah oui, bah voilà.
Look at this
Tout
crap.
simplement, voilà. Enfin,
How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson? I can hear the class laughing at me now.
D'accord, donc déjà...
And it's a great
Je...
tradition, and I wholeheartedly fight for your right to self-expression. Or selfie expression.
D'accord.
I can't believe I still have this pencil case. I should upgrade to the 21st
So if
century.
anybody wants to
But
question
I like it
Portia's
old
modern narcissism, they could go back hundreds of years to blame society. Shh. I believe Max has taken what you
Les
kids call
selfies
the
d'époque.
selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of
D'accord,
art and photography for as long as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Moi? Je le savais.
I did know, but I kind of forgot.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria. The Daguerrean process brought out fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely
Sorry,
popular
Max.
from the 1800s
No more
on.
selfies right
The
now.
first American daguerreotype self-portrait was done by Robert Cornelius. You can find out all about him in your textbook, or
Attends,
even
il y a un livre. Ouais, il y a un sac.
And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography.
Ok,
So
donc,
Stella and
pour
Alyssa,
l'instant,
get it
attendez.
together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Bon alors, il est clair que pour le moment, je ne comprends strictement rien.
Victoria doesn't waste a second kiss. Of course, Victoria has to have the bestest, newest, most. I should have known. She'll have better equipment than Blackwell.
Ouais, non, je m'en fous. Hein?
Even her school books are gift wrapped. I can't believe she made fun of me in class. What is she, 15 years old? And people laughed.
D'accord,
Hi,
on va
Kate.
discuter.
Oh, hi, Max.
Just by participating, by putting yourself out there in the world. Now, no matter who wins,
You seem quiet today.
on a bigger role.
Just thinking too
I don't
much.
want anybody to feel excluded from this process, but I also want everybody to know that this
I hear that.
world is not for everybody.
Want to go grab a cup of tea and bitch about life?
Thanks, but not today. I have to go over homework.
No worries. Let's hang later.
Sure.
See you later. Salut. Bon bah écoute. Ouais, Photoshop. Non, la classe.
Looks like somebody was already working on this. Cool.
Putain, la classe. En fait, on va faire des... C'est un peu l'ancêtre de l'iPhone, le bordel. J'ai parlé à Monsieur Jefferson.
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Do I have to? I just don't think it's that big a deal.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. And that's what separates the artist from the amateur.
C'est grave la classe en vrai. Parce que faire des cours de photo, je peux vous assurer que j'ai pas que ça à foutre de la rater. Attends.
Every time I look at Victoria, I feel like she's talking smack about me. Even in pictures, the forest around here always looks mysterious.
Ouais, moi j'ai pas que ça à foutre de regarder tout en fait quand même. La télé. On peut que la regarder, d'accord. Donc ça. En fait, le système d'interaction est un peu spécial. Étant donné qu'en fait. Attendez. Je vais vous expliquer ça. Il y a beaucoup de colère et j'aime beaucoup.
I need a serious time out in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
I hate that class, it's so fucking boring.
Square Enix. Pas mal.
She's so fucking shy.
Ah, c'est bon ça. Je vous laisse apprécier la musique.
To all of you American girls, it's sad to imagine a world without you. American girls, I'd like to be part of the world.
It looks like she's been gone for months.
Driving a car by the sea.
La musique est juste super quoi. Vas-y, bah pousse-moi, toi enfoiré. Le système de, en fait, le système pour vous expliquer les interactions, en fait, il suffit de cliquer et de bouger la souris en fait où se trouve l'interaction. Moi, comme un con, je faisais ça et je comprenais pas. En fait, il suffit juste de faire ça.
Call it a sugar machine. That would be awesome if you put money in there and a bag of sugar dropped out.
T'as déjà vu ça? Y a pas écrit poster par hasard? Ah non, il y a écrit poster. Je suis con. D'accord, donc en fait, je devais aller aux toilettes si je dis pas de bêtises. Voilà. Et au niveau de la bande son, c'est
Good.
sympa.
Nobody can see my meltdown, except for me.
D'accord, donc apparemment on incarne un espèce d'héroïne. Non, il y a écrit Bilal. Ah non, Biatch. C'est pas pareil.
Now, who would bother to write that crap?
On a pas envie de pisser? Non. Apparemment. Le robinet.
I feel like the universe is taunting me everywhere I go today. It all started with that bizarro dream in class. Am I going crazy?
D'accord, donc elle se pose des questions assez cheloues, la dame.
Just relax. Stop torturing yourself. You have a gift.
J'aurais kiffé avoir un don de photographie moi aussi.
Fuck it.
Non! Elle était jolie la photo.
When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that. Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
Faut que je prenne un selfie.
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I wanted, I could blow it up. You're the boss. So what do you want?
I hope you check the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around
Oh
with.
là là.
What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
Très bien.
Whoa. What the fuck? How? How can that be? I was in the bathroom. He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand. And then I was back
D'accord,
here.
donc en fait elle a remonté le temps.
These pieces of time can frame us in
I already heard
Et là elle va
this
relancer la
lecture.
boule, regardez.
from light to shadow, from color.
Now Kate is being hassled again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Can you give me an example of a photographer
cannot
who
believe
perfectly
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Diane.
Can I
Arbus.
actually reverse time?
Go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her
Maintenez souris droit.
Anybody? Bueller?
Diane Arbus.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus? Anybody? Bueller?
Diane Arbus.
There you...
Maintenez souris, non, non. Attendez, là donc en gros, en fait je vais essayer de récupérer la bonne réponse.
I did
Now,
it.
Can you give
I
me an
actually
example
did
of
it.
a photographer who perfectly
I'm a
captured the
human
human
time
condition in black
machine.
and white?
Derrière l'arbus.
Anybody? Bueller?
Max, don't freak out. Not yet.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her
Keep it
images of
together,
homeless
Max.
faces. You feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and
When I
children.
took my selfie, Jefferson asked me a question.
Portrait, right?
If he does again, I'll know this is for real.
Keep that to yourself.
Je vais prendre un
Seriously,
selfie.
though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift.
I know I'm not dreaming
Il a déjà
this.
dit. Ah d'accord, c'est. Ouais, c'est.
It's been popular
I can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation
So I
was the
can go
first
back
to
in
use
time.
images for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead
I
yet?
couldn't resist. The point
Can I
remains
save
that
her?
the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for
I
as
need to go to the bathroom
long as it's
quickly
been
and
around.
check it out.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
I'm sorry, but I really have to use the bathroom.
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class.
Non,
Is
non.
there anybody here
Shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me after
Louis Daguerre
class.
was a French painter
And I need
who
time to
created
save that girl.
daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a
Non,
sharp
je suis raté,
reflective
je
style
suis
like a
raté.
mirror.
Ah, c'est
Now you're
c'est
totally
hyper,
stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria.
What
c'est
if I
hyper
rewind
prenant.
again
Hungarian process
and give him the right
brought up
answer?
Regardez, je vais réutiliser la... parce qu'elle a trop ouvert sa gueule. Hein.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the
D'ailleurs, en fait,
conversation, can you
je vais,
please tell us the name of the process
je vais revoir
that gave
ma...
birth to the first self-portraits?
Le procédé de la guerre. Voilà.
The Daguerrean
Comme ça, je vais pas
process,
aller...
invented by a French
C'est
painter
hyper
named
jouissif, c'est un truc de ouf.
around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max.
Brr,
The
brr,
Daguerrean
that's it.
process made portraiture hugely popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far
Wowzer,
away.
my old broken...
Vite, vite, voilà. Donc là, on va y aller. Et après, je vais vous laisser là-dessus.
Photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted
Même
by
pas,
the
non.
art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be...
D'accord, donc on va se laisser là-dessus les amis, en tout cas sachez que ça a l'air juste super sympa ce jeu. C'est vrai que là pour le peu que j'ai joué, j'ai vraiment hâte de voir ce que ça va donner. En tout cas si la vidéo vous aura plu les amis, j'espère en tout cas, j'espère en tout cas que ça vous aura plu. Si ça vous a plu, n'hésitez pas en tout cas à mettre un petit pouce vert, ça me fera toujours plaisir. N'hésitez pas aussi à commenter pour avoir un petit peu votre avis sur le jeu, ça pourrait être sympa, on pourra échanger dans les commentaires, y a pas de souci. D'ici la prochaine vidéo, bah, écoutez, portez-vous bien les amis, prenez soin de vous et je vous dis à plus tard. Allez salut, ciao ciao.